Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's affiliate marketing for baby boomers video, I'd like to teach you 4 simple and proven steps where you can learn and follow to earn over $1,000 every single month with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to recommend some products and some tools and some traffic that I personally use. And maybe you're someone like me who works a full-time job and loves their job. I'm a swim teacher and I'm just doing affiliate marketing to save some money for my retirement, and then I can work from my laptop when I retire anywhere in the world. Or maybe you're already retired and you want to develop some new skills and earn some extra income on top of your state pension or your social security pension. So whatever your reasons are, then I'm a boomer myself, born in November 1961. I'm going to go through these 4 steps, and you don't have to use the products that I recommend because this is a proven formula that works for all the products if you develop the skills. So the first step is step number 1 over here. And step number 1 is to find a product. And the great news is, with affiliate marketing, you don't have to create your own product. So the product that I'm going to recommend is one that I use for several reasons. I'm going to show you all of these a bit later on shortly, but the product I recommend has been around since 2009. So it's got longevity and it's updated consistently, and it still works today. And the reason I've chosen this product is because you can get into profit fast with it. It's got recurring commissions built into it, and you just promote. It's got a done for you funnel. You'll see here a done for you funnel. If you're not familiar with that term, don't worry. But all it means is that you just promote one link with a funnel, and then you can earn multiple income streams. In this case, up to 17 income streams. So number 1 is to source a product. If you don't like the product I promote, then my email address will be in the description, and I can recommend lots of other products that are converting as well for you. Step number 2 over here. Step number 2, top right hand corner. Traffic. So what traffic means, if you're not familiar with the term traffic for the industry, traffic is just websites where you advertise your product. So there's free traffic and there's also paid traffic. So if you're on a tight budget, I've got 5 of my best free traffic sources that I can recommend. And what I recommend you do is I recommend you maybe start with free traffic, because with paid traffic, we don't want to get you into debt. We want to get you into profit. So the free traffic sources that I use will convert this product into commissions if you get enough traffic to the offer. And then we're going to reinvest some of that into paid traffic, and then we can scale up a bit faster. So step number 2 is just driving traffic to our product. And then what happens with step number 3, this is one of the most exciting parts, this one here. Step number 3 is when you drive traffic to your offer, then you can start to earn commissions. And the offer that I'm recommending is monthly recurring commissions. So just multiple income streams, but recurring commissions are what enable you to get into profit fast. And I always recommend promoting, it's a membership site, and I always recommend promoting membership sites so you're not just chasing instant commissions every single month. You're building up memberships with a product that's got high retention that people need. It's how you get into profit fast. 17 income streams, but recurring income is really one of the keys to success with affiliate marketing. And then we're going to go over here in the bottom right hand corner to step number 4. And what comes out of the bottom end of promoting this product is where we build an email list. And the beauty of the email list is that you can automate, you start to automate your income, because you can then promote other offers, which I'll recommend. I'll mentor you one-to-one if you want my help with this. So I've been doing this for a while now, and I do earn over $1,000 every single month. So that's why I want to do this training, to show other people how they can do it as well. So we're going to teach you how to build an email list. And once you start to build an email list, this can go into the hundreds and the thousands of people that are interested in what you've got to offer. So we give value. I teach you how to give value with trainings and products, but also how to promote additional income streams as well. And this can be, the email list is automated. It can be automated. We call it an autoresponder. So AR for autoresponder. And some people don't join your offer straight away, but you start to automate your affiliate marketing business with an autoresponder. And then the next step, if you want to go to the next step after that, is what you do is you take a percentage. Let's draw a percentage sign here. So you take a percentage of your profits. And so not all of them, because we don't want to just be reinvesting everything back in. We want some lifestyle money. We want to be able to enjoy. If we're a baby boom, we want to be able to enjoy holidays and treating the grandchildren and spending time with family and friends and your passions and your hobbies. But what we recommend you do is, that's a big T, we spend a percentage of your profits. And what we do is, a percentage of these profits here is we buy more traffic, paid traffic. And then what happens is, then you're just driving more traffic to an offer that converts, and then more commissions here, more recurring commissions, more income streams, building the email list. So this email list is going to, put a plus sign here, is going to get bigger. The bigger the email list, the more people you can reach, and then your audience starts to grow. And the bigger your audience, the more money you can earn. So a very simple 4-step system. Let me just show you now the products that I'm going to recommend to you and show you some proof that I can help you and mentor you one-to-one. Excuse me. So what I do is I use a product called Prosperity Marketing System. And Prosperity Marketing System it's a training system. So you're going to get training inside. I'll show you inside the members area shortly. This is one income stream here that I'm showing you now of 17 income streams promoting one link. And these are 100% commissions on the front end of this funnel. And what you'll see here, this little number 2, this little number here, 3, 4, 2. I'll just highlight these because this is 2, 3, 4, and 2. These are multiples. So on this day, 2 100% commissions came in. 3 100% commissions came in. 4 came in. 2 came in on one day. And you only need one. You only need one of these to get your own membership paid for. This is how I teach you how to get into profit fast with Prosperity Marketing System. 97% of people fail online because they don't get into profit fast. And not just getting into profit, but staying in profit and making and earning a growing income. I'm going to teach you how to earn a growing income. Again, 2 on one day here. So you might have been looking at some other offers, and you'll see that some of those offers pay. This is a $12 per month offer that you're going to promote. So some of the other offers, what they do is They offer between 5 and 80% commissions. This is a 100% commission. You'll see some days 2 are coming in one day. So I want to teach you how to get into profit fast. I want to teach you how to scale up, and I want to teach you how to earn multiple income streams, but also multiple recurring income streams. And if I go into my prosperity marketing system members area here, you'll see I'm live in my members area. We've got a training course here for you. So it's step-by-step training. So even though I'll mentor you one-to-one, everything is in here that you need. We've got free websites, traffic training, traffic generation. You'll see mine's come down 5 levels. You'll see 2,656 members. So you'll see that I'm qualified to teach you how to become successful and get into profit with prosperity marketing system. And it's got up to 17 income streams, excuse me, built into the funnel. And what I'll also do is I also want to show you with the traffic. So we spoke here on number two, free and paid traffic. What I'm going to teach you over here, I'm going to teach you how to get buyers in front of prosperity marketing system, excuse me, or any offer you want to promote. I'm not only going to show you how to get buyers in front of prosperity marketing system, I'm going to show you how to get your buyer traffic for free. So, and then go to the next level. That's a video that I did, and this is a page. What I'll do is this is a page that I will pin to the top comment below this video. So everything I'm going to show, that I'm showing you now, is going to be links in the description. But this one here is really important. So I'm going to pin this one to the top comment below the video. And each of these offers on here, these buyer traffic offers, you'll see there's 4 of them here. Each of these offers are hosted in the Warrior Plus marketplace. Again, if you're not familiar with these terms or these platforms, then you don't have to worry about that because I'll explain it all to you. But you'll see that I've sold nearly $10,000 of these products, and I've earned nearly $5,000 in commission. And I'm going to teach you not just how to get buyers in front of your offers, but how to earn monthly recurring payments. You'll see here 18 months in a row, 18 months in a row. This is how you become successful with membership sites. Each of these circular arrows down here, they are all monthly recurring payments that have coming in. So the tools that I use are Leads Leap. So I want to give you some free tools to use as well to promote your offers. And even with Leads Leap, you can earn you can earn monthly recurring income with Leads Leap. Total earnings so far, $758.48. So quite a lot of information today. These are my best free traffic sources that I'll put in the description for you. And if you want to get started today, then what you can do is you can get a free 7-day trial with Prosperity Marketing System, and then you can start following these simple steps, 4 simple steps, and I'll help you if you want my one-to-one mentoring. So a lot of information there today, but let's just have a little recap and just sort of go through the steps here. Step number 1, we're going to find a product or an offer that converts into profits. We're going to promote that offer with traffic. The traffic can either be free or paid. I'm going to teach you how to get into profit fast, but the key thing is earn monthly recurring income. I'm going to teach you how to build an email list so you can give value, excuse me, and you can start to automate your online business. And I'll also mentor you one-to-one. My email address will be in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. And my goal is to get you to over $1,000 per month, just following these 4 simple steps. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that'll help support the growth of my YouTube channel. Currently, I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. Excuse me. If you've got any questions about any of the content today, then please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. My email address will be in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So all the products that I've covered today, any information, you can get started with the links in the description. And again, any questions, just email, just put those in the comments. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.